Assuming that you're searching for long money cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and truly need to know where the costs of long money (YFI) will go from here on out. We will investigate the by and large past costs of long money (YFI) and will commonly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation in each genuinely other forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable in an exceptionally enormous manner. However, we will sort of make an honest effort. We should begin, which generally is very huge. Long money past value examination. As per the scarcely the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of certainly long money explicitly is $19,924.09, and YFI is right now explicitly positioned number 96 in every practical sense. Whole crypto-biological system in an unobtrusive way. The course supply of long money is 36,638, with a market cap of $729,973,321. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the long money's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.2% in the kind of most recent 24 hours. From most recent 7 days, the YFI was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.37%, or so they basically thought. Long money has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and explicitly contribute. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it generally is seen that long money basically has expanded 53.671% in its worth. The typical genuinely least cost for the month explicitly is $8,909.11, while greatest normal cost by and large was $9,230.69. This infers that this coin for the most part is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 61.85%. And the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $7,191.92 to most extreme genuinely normal cost of $7,751.14 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, truly long money by and large has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. In this way, we believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of certainly long money is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 73.02%, with the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, for the most part, was around $5,539.05. And the really least typical cost of truly was around $5,453.01 in essentially beyond 4 months. We truly foresee future most certainly long money cost expectations YFI gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning, helped specialized examination on the by and large past value information of long money in a significant manner. We give a valiant effort to gather in every way that really matters most extreme verifiable information for the YFI coin, which by and large incorporate different boundaries like especially past cost, long money market cap, basically long money volume, and barely any more in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming you especially are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and truly need great profit from commonly your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Long money value expectation 2023, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of generally long money is anticipated to generally reach at a by and large least degree of $22,746.79 in a very significant manner. The YFI cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $25,227.81. with the truly normal exchanging cost of $23,543.76. Long money value expectation 2024. The cost of certainly long money is anticipated to generally reach at the very least worth of $33,364.84 in 2024. The long money cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $40,048.80. With the typical exchanging cost of $34,542.03 all through 2024. YFI value figure for 2025. Certainly long money cost is conjecture to explicitly arrive at an all things considered, most reduced conceivable degree of $47,015.94 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the YFI cost could arrive at a most extreme especially conceivable degree of $57,959.62, with the typical figure cost of $48,743.05. Long money YFI value expectation 2026. The cost of one long money is supposed to reach at any rate level of $69,069.06 in 2026. The YFI cost can especially arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $81,798.49, with the truly normal cost of $71,506.22 all through 2026. Long money value expectation 2027. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2027, the cost of long money is supposed to reach at least value worth of $97,338.25 in an unpretentious manner. The YFI cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $121,921.88, with the typical worth of $100,913.56, which especially is very huge. Long money value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on in every practical sense, past value information of YFI in 2028, the cost of in every practical sense, long money is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $147,377.45 in a huge manner. The YFI cost can essentially arrive at a greatest degree of $172,622.62, with the typical exchanging cost of $152,423.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Long money YFI value expectation 2029. The cost of long money is generally anticipated to reach at a very least degree of $221,914.24 in 2029. The long money cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $260,697.55, with the typical cost of $228,011.17 all through 2029. Long money value figure 2030. Fundamentally, long money cost is estimate to really arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $325,000.